Awesome, and in today's video we're going to be seeing another magic trick video. I haven't been posting videos recently. I am so sorry, I got caught up on my schoolwork. So I'm going to be doing another magic video today. It is known as intuition test. So as the name suggests, this actually tests the spectator's intuition, and they're going to be amazed at the end. I'm going to guarantee you that, as long as you follow the steps I give you. Okay, so please subscribe, please watch to the end, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so let's start. So for this trick we'll be taking out the jokers, if there are any. Let's put them off to the side. Now we're gonna need, we don't need a pack of 52 cards. You can use how many ever cards you want, cards, lowdown cards, any cards, doesn't matter. So when you do it with playing cards, it gives it a feeling of like more magic. You see more magicians do it with playing cards, so there's more chances of the spectator being more thrilled. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna perform it first, and then I'm gonna do the tutorial. So let's start off with the performance. So if there was a spectator with me, I would give it to the spectator, and then since I don't have a spectator, they would shuffle the deck as much as they wanted to. It's all their choice. I'm just shuffling for them. Okay, so they can shuffle as many times. They can do cuts, they can do whatever they want with the deck. They might even take some cards and keep them at the back. That's fine too, doesn't even matter. Okay, so once they're done shuffling, you take the cards back, and this is the performance. Let me start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take random cards, and since I don't have a spectator, and since I don't have a spectator, I'll choose for the spectator. This is black, this is red. Okay, so if I'm gonna keep a card like this. If you think it's black, I would keep here. If it's red, I would keep here. Okay, so what's gonna happen here is, since I don't have a spectator, you guys might think that I'm cheating and I do it for myself. But at the tutorial you'll understand that it works with the spectator as well. Okay, so there's red and black. I'm gonna take out random cards, and you're gonna choose black. Fine. Red. Okay. Red. Black. Red. Black. 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 Red. Black. Red. 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 Black. I'm not gonna do it too long to you guys, to bore you guys. By the way, this is black. I'll just do a few more cards. Fine. I think that's enough. So now what I'm going to do now is, the next thing is, I want to do the exact same thing. Okay, so let me take almost half the deck, maybe this much, yeah, or a little bit more. Wait, let me count the cards and I'll take exactly. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31. So there's one odd. I'll give the spectator 15. You don't have to count, guys. I'm just counting to give them a sense that it's equal. Everything's equal. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so as you can see, I took from the top. So now this is 16, this is 15. So now the spectator can choose any deck. Let's say they choose this deck. Okay, I give it aside. Then the spectator takes the deck and they deal out the cards of whatever they think it is. Oh yeah, I forgot to do something. Since this is black, I'm going to put a red card on it now. And since this is red, I'm going to put a black card on it now. Okay. So now the spectator has a deck, this deck, and they're gonna deal out cards the same way I did, but this time they're just gonna deal it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it random. Okay, so you guys might think I'm cheating. You can check the tutorial, stay till the tutorial to see that I'm not cheating. Okay, so this is nothing of need now, so I would actually spread it out to just give it that, to just give a feeling. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is, so now this is red and this is black, and now this is black and this is red. Okay, so I'm not gonna do anything. The spectator can take and see if like it's actually true or not. So as you can see here, red, that's one card red right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the cards are red. And as you can see here, this is black, 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 black. By the way, the spectator can do this. I don't need to do this. I'm not touching any of this. So black, 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 red, 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 and red. So this is the trick, guys. The spectator will be absolutely amazed at the end of the trick. And by the way, I'm telling you now itself, there's a special move you need to do for this trick. And I'm pretty sure you guys saw me do that move because of this camera angling. I can't get this right. This camera angling is bad. If you are actually supposed to do a spectator, they wouldn't be able to see that move. You'd be doing it like this, and the spectator will be in front of you, so they won't see the move. Okay, so on to the tutorial, guys. Let's start. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna give it the deck to the spectator, and they can shuffle it as much as they want, how many ever times. If you want, you can they can take cards out of this, keep it in their pocket or something like that. So it doesn't matter. It's not, the 52 cards is nothing in this trick. You can use 110, doesn't matter. So you can use any type of cards. I prefer playing cards. Okay, so once they have done shuffling, they give you the deck, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it like this. Let's say you are the spectator from here to here. Okay, so you're gonna hold it like this, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out you're gonna take out a red card and a black card, and you're gonna explain them that you're gonna test their intuition, and they can deal out cards if you want this one or this one. Sorry about that, guys, it was the door closing. So now yeah, so you're gonna deal it out, and now I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do here. You're gonna always take out red cards, only red cards, nothing else. Red card, and then they can say whatever, black or red, doesn't matter. If they say black, just keep it there, no move or something at all. You took a red card, they say black. Another red card, they say black. Another red card, they say black. Now you're gonna only take red card. Now they say red, and then you just do that. You don't show the spectator that you're taking all red cards. You're gonna do it like this, and then they say this. They say this. They say it's all red cards, by the way, guys. Okay, so don't worry. This is all wrong. Doesn't matter. That's why the end of the thing, we're going to do one secret move to fix everything. Red card here, red card here, red card here. You're not going to show the spectator that's a red card. and you're just gonna do it until they get bored. You're not gonna ask them, are you bored? Well, they kind of get tired of it. You can see it in their eyes, they're getting bored. So once you came to that point, you still have red cards there, but it doesn't matter. What you're gonna do now is since you have a large collection of blacks now, so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna move it to the back like this, and once you have lots of black at the end, see, as you can see, these many blacks are enough. Okay, so once you have lots and lots of blacks at the end, you don't need to count at this part, but doesn't really matter. So this has to be all black. If there's a single red also, the whole trick will be messed up. So it has to be all black. Okay, once you have confirmed that, and by the way, you're gonna do this while you're dealing out cards. So let's say there was a card here. Okay, it's like this. So you'll be dealing this, you'd put this card like that. So they don't see anything, they just think that you're shuffling it, you're taking out random cards. Okay, so you're just gonna do that. Once you have a large collection of blacks at the end, you're gonna take those collection of blacks. You could, now what you could either do is you could just hold a pinky break at the place where all the collection of blacks start to come. Just gonna hold a pinky break there. While you're spreading it out, you could just spread it like this. Take your pinky, put it in there, pinky break. Okay, so once you have that, as you can see, if you look from the front, you can't see anything. Everything is normal, but in the back, this is there. So what you're gonna do is you just can take you're gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna split the deck approximately in half. Once you have that, now you're gonna give them a magician's choice. A magician's choice is, for example, you're just gonna say, you're gonna tell them to choose one. If they choose this one, this is all the random cards one, you're gonna keep it away. If they choose this one, you're gonna give them this. No matter what, they still get this one, no matter what. This is known as a magician's choice. This is like a force to force them to take one card. I think I actually did it in the 4 rows and 4 columns video. Go check it out. I actually did the exact same thing, a magician's choice, multiples of times to give them the feeling that they are like I actually mind controlled them. Go check that video, guys. So yeah, so you're gonna do a magician's force. This is a random deck. You have to remember that this is the random, this is the correct. Okay, if you forget, everything's gonna get wrong. So this is a random. If they choose this, away. If they choose this, give. Okay, so the correct one you're gonna give, the wrong one you're gonna put away. I just like to do this for no reason at all. And once they take this, you're gonna instruct them to not look, and they can deal it out. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, from the discard pile, you're gonna take a red card and put it on the black card pile. This is the red card, so this is a black card. You're gonna put it here, and this you're gonna put here. Okay, so now what's gonna happen is, so as you can see, these are all the red cards. These are all the red cards. Okay, don't do this in front of the spectator. I'm just showing you. This is all the red cards. This is all the black. This is all the red cards too. So what you're gonna do now? What you're gonna do? Since this is all black cards, when they deal it out, this whole pile will be correct. No matter what, this whole pile will be correct. So, and then this whole pile will be wrong. No matter what, this whole pile will be wrong. So yeah, they're just gonna deal it out. Doesn't matter. Once they're done dealing, what you're gonna do, you're gonna give the correct pile to them. You just have to remember that this is the correct pile. You're gonna give it to them, and you're just gonna take this pile and stick out the face up card, this card, and this card. Keep it down. The same thing with this. Stick out and stick out. And then you're gonna take this pile and give them. Before they reach out for it, you're gonna take this pile and give it to them. And you're gonna first split it up before you do that. This. Okay, the pile before is the correct pile. Okay, so you're not going to show spectators. And while they're busy flipping them over and checking if they got black and red, what you're going to do is, you're not going to do this, the spectator is going to do this. And while they're doing this, by the way, I'm just dealing it all out, it'll be all correct no matter what. So if you follow the steps, everything will be correct. So while they're doing it, what you're going to do, you're going to take the deck and you're actually going to keep it like this, and you're just gonna palm this card, the bottom card, and place it on the top. Okay, so how you're gonna do that is, you're gonna hold it like this, push this out using this fingers, push it out. Once you got that, align it with your pinky and put this at the top. From the front it doesn't look like something, but this camera angling is bad, so it's gonna be like this. And by the way, they are too busy looking at dealing out the cards. And remember, you just have to push off one card, not too many cards. To arrange that, you just can put your thumb here so that only one card gets peeled off. And once you peel off that first card, you're gonna take that card, hide it. Just from the front, and you can't see anything. They'll be too busy doing that, and you can just place it on the top. Okay. For me, my hands are actually not that big, so I can't palm it properly. This point is like that. So if your hands are big enough, you're like an adult or something, what you can do is you can take it like this. Okay, so you have this type of thing. Once you have this, what you can do is you just can place it back on top. If your hands are big enough, you can just close it like this, but my hands are not big enough. So once you're done doing that, you've palmed the card. Show you that once more. Take, peel, palm, and place on top. Okay, they won't see anything. They'll be too busy dealing this out. Once that's done, you're gonna split this up and give them the pile, and everything's already done. This and this. Okay guys, that's the video. They're gonna be absolutely amazed at the end. I've done it to so many people and they were absolutely amazed. Nobody saw that move. That's because they were too busy dealing that out. They can't do multitasking and they won't suspect anything at all. So yeah guys, that's a magic trick. And I forgot to tell you, I'm doing giveaways now again, like before. I told you that I was doing giveaways before, and now I've got my hands on an Amazon $100 gift card. Okay, so I'm giving it out as a giveaway. I'm really in need of views and subscribers, so please subscribe to get a chance to win the $100 Amazon gift card. So yeah guys, subscribe, like, and comment below on what my next video should be and what can be better. Thank you guys.